How to play Minecraft split screen on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure you have a second controller here. So click on controllers, then you want to select change grip order, and you want to connect your second controller to the Nintendo Switch 2. So for example, here I'm just going to press on this controller. It's already paired. There's a separate tutorial on how you can pair controllers. And now that you have your second controller connected, you will go into the Nintendo eShop, and if you have Minecraft already, that's great. If you don't, you can just get it here. You will use the search bar to search for Minecraft. So I'm just gonna search for Minecraft like so, and click on done search, and here you want to get Minecraft if you don't have it already. So you just click on Minecraft and you will download it, and if you have two controllers connected, it should detect it here and you can play Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.